About 8 months ago, I came out with a video explaining Six Flags' new expensive passes. Well, you can throw that into the trash because Six Flags is rolling out a whole new system for 2023. Why are they doing this? Are these any better for the consumer? And will these work better for the chain? Let's dive into all these questions. This is Everything Six Flags in 2023. Early in 2022, Six Flags shocked everyone when they canned their membership program. The same program they were promoting for the last few years, trying to push everyone to buy. They were taking all the benefits away from their season pass to get people to buy their memberships. It seemed like every company was moving to a subscription-based membership model, where your credit card gets charged every month automatically, and there's no expiration date. It makes perfect sense to me. Well, they didn't want this anymore. This was in line with what CEO Salim Basool wanted to do. Get rid of the cheap options and get people to pay more. Why would they do this? They wanted fewer people to come through the gates and offer a product where people were willing to pay more. Less crowds meant less lines, meant more rides, meant better guest experience. They downgraded a lot of the perks, like the all-season dining pass, and introduced the 3-tier pass system: Thrill Seeker, Extreme, and Ultimate. This was a lot more money for a lot less benefits. But again, the new CEO wanted to jack up the prices, and he did a good job of doing so. I thought it was a very bold move to jack up the price before jacking up the quality. A couple of the parks got new rides this year, and it was exciting to see the first B&M in the chain in 10 years. But in general, there wasn't much to justify the new pricing. That bold move did not pay off. Six Flags attendance took a massive hit over the first 2 quarters. I know they wanted it to go down, but it was more than expected, and it hurt their revenue. If you want a full breakdown, go check out this video by Attraction Ideas. He really did his homework, and it's just a fascinating video about the current state of Six Flags. So, while all this is going down, Six Flags pulls the passes they just rolled out and introduces new ones. I'm almost afraid to look, but let's dive into it. Six Flags is welcoming back-end memberships. They're all called the Thrill Seeker, but you got Gold, Platinum, and Diamond. I'm gonna start with the pricing for Magic Mountain and talk about some of the other differences for other parks afterward. If you don't want a fancy membership, they do have a seasonal pass for $99.99, and that's good until September 4th, 2023. That's something new for Six Flags. Basically, a summer pass without the benefits of Fright Fest or Holiday in the Park. This one comes with basically no benefits. It's only good at Magic Mountain, not even Hurricane Harbor next door. This doesn't come with parking, and I don't see an option to buy a parking pass, so you're stuck paying $40 per visit. Let's analyze each membership. Every membership is good for 12 months from the date of purchase, so once you buy it, you can use it right away. The lowest level, the Gold Thrill Seeker, is $175 per year. Like the season pass, you only get into Magic Mountain, not even Hurricane Harbor, but for the extra $75, you get some benefits. General parking is included. You get 2 special rate friend tickets. What the discount is, I'm not sure. You get 1 skip the line ticket to use at some point during the year, and you get 10% off food and merchandise. These benefits are very weak compared to the season pass, but if you want access to Fright Fest or Holiday in the Park, you definitely want to spring for this membership. This is replacing 2022's Thrill Seeker Pass, and this one was good for Magic Mountain and Hurricane Harbor. The big difference was the blockout dates. The old Thrill Seeker Pass barred people from coming to Hurricane Harbor any weekend in the summer, as well as Saturdays during Fright Fest. That old pass also didn't have any discounts on food and merch, and the new one does. That's a $60 price increase, really just for the privilege of removing the blockout dates. It depends if you like going to the park on crowded days, but I would say the old Thrill Seeker Pass was a better value. Next up is the Platinum Thrill Seeker membership. This will run you $225, and that's a similar price to the Cedar Fair Platinum Pass for comparison. This is replacing the Extreme Season Pass. That was $179.99 last year, so $45 less. Let's see if you get $45 more value out of this one. Also, that price of $179.99 is just $5 more than the Gold Thrill Seeker membership we just talked about. So you can already see, this does not benefit the consumer. Anyway, running down the new Platinum membership. You get preferred parking, so right off the bat, that's pretty good. You get 5 special rate friend tickets, 2 skip the line tickets to use throughout the year, 15% off food and merch, and a $25 attractions credit. I don't like that perk. It's something they did last year also. It's just holding your money hostage and forcing you to use it in the park. This pass also gets you into all the Six Flags parks. Now let's compare it to the cheaper Extreme Pass from last year. That also got you into every Six Flags park. 5 special rate tickets, 2 skip the lines, and 15% off food and merch. The new Platinum membership does get you preferred parking, where the old Extreme Pass was only good for standard, but there were other benefits that are missing from this new membership. First, the Extreme Pass came with a souvenir bottle and a single-day dining pass, along with a 25% discount on merch. The Extreme Season Pass was not only cheaper than the Platinum membership, it was also better. Last one, the Diamond Thrill Seeker membership. This is $320, and it replaces the Ultimate Season Pass. That was $329.99, so they're very close in price and very easy to compare. Let's run down the benefits of the new Diamond membership first. Obviously, you get into all the Six Flags parks. You also get front gate parking, a step up from preferred. You get 10 special rate friend tickets, 5 single-use skip the line tickets, 20% off food and merch, water park seating reservations, 50% off the all-season Flash Pass, 1 digital ride photo, and a $50 attraction credit. I have to say, the 50% off the all-season Flash Pass isn't bad. It's $329 for gold, $499 for platinum. And if you look at the crazy price they charge for a single day, using that 50% off makes it a pretty good deal. If you go on a Saturday, the gold Flash is $175 and platinum is $260. Might as well get the all-season Flash Pass and save some money. I also want to point out that, once again, they are cutting down big time on their food and merch discounts. I still have my Diamond Elite membership. That's about $225 a year. And I gotta say, I love my 50% off food and merch. The best deal you can get now is 20%. Now, let's look at the old Ultimate Pass. Again, just $10 more, so the perks should be comparable. You also got into all Six Flags parks. Front gate parking, 10 special rate tickets, 5 single-use skip the line passes, water park seating reservations, a $50 attraction credit, and 1 ride photo. This pass did not get you 50% off the all-season Flash Pass. That's the one upside of the Diamond membership, and very significant if that's something you wanted to buy. I also want to note, I love the way they're doing the Flash Pass now. No more pods, no more watches, no more skip the line tickets. Most important, no more waiting in the Flash Pass line just to get these. You can do everything on the app now. Redeem your skip the lines and use the Flash Pass right there on your phone. This is one of the few good changes I've seen at Six Flags. But back to the comparison. The old Ultimate Pass included 30% off merch instead of 20. Also, a souvenir bottle and a 10-meal dining plan. That's worth about $150, and it seems like that was replaced by the discount on the Flash Pass. Speaking of the Dining Pass, they will, once again, offer an all-season Dining Pass with no limit of how many times you can use it. That being said, it's not the same as before. First, they jacked up the price. I used to pay around $85 for it, and you can use it at any Six Flags park. It came with 2 meals and a snack. It also came with an unlimited refill bottle, and it was good for the whole year. Now, it's $134.99. It's only good at Magic Mountain and Hurricane Harbor. It comes with 2 meals and no snack, no souvenir bottle, and it expires on September 4th. You can redeem your meals 3 hours apart. So, what to think of this? I guess it's nice they brought back the all-season unlimited dining, but everything about this compared to the old deal is worse. When I made my video back in January talking about the new for 2022 passes, it was clear you were paying more for less. Now, Six Flags has really thrown open the Overton window and made us miss these expensive 2022 passes. If ticket prices were too high before, and attendance dropped way more than expected, I'm not sure what these passes are trying to accomplish. It's not better in any way. The standard pass is cheaper than anything they offered this year, but once you consider the September 4th deadline and the parking pass you have to buy, suddenly that's more expensive also. Six Flags is doubling down on increased prices and fewer benefits, so now it's time for them to put up or shut up. They need to demonstrate why guests should still come to the park and pay these inflated prices. Salim Basul already indicated he doesn't want to add new coasters, so what's it gonna be? I can't wait to find out, but if it's basically nothing, I'd be stunned, and I'd really be concerned with the future of the chain. You can't screw over your customers and hope they're big enough chumps to keep coming back. Oh yeah, if you do buy one of these new memberships by Labor Day, you get free drinks the rest of the year. So there's that. As for everyone who was grandfathered into their old memberships, like me, I didn't see anything on their website saying these would be phased out. But when I contacted customer service, they said it can be used as long as it's active. Six Flags customer service hasn't always given the best information, so take it as you will. Now, how about the other parks? The pricing at the parks that aren't open 365 days a year are a little cheaper, and it varies a little bit based on the park. For example, Six Flags Over Texas is charging $79.99 for the seasonal pass, $115 for the gold membership, $155 for platinum, $280 for diamond. Six Flags America is charging $59.99, $95, $135, and $249. Great Escape is still listing their old passes. Same with La Ronde and Mexico. Everyone else has changed over to the new memberships. The prices and benefits are a little different. The levels of parking vary. So does discount percentage. Some offer a single-use games pass. Most do not offer attraction credits. Aside from that, it seems pretty much the same. For your home park, you should click the link below, select your park in the top left dropdown, and see the prices and benefits. Regardless, these are not better. They make the 2022 passes look good, and we were horrified by those just 8 months ago. This all could just be a response to the recent spike in inflation, But if I had to guess, I'd say it's more so the next step to advance their new strategy. So, Salim Basul, Six Flags, show us something to make it worth it. Otherwise, expect Six Flags to continue their nosedive. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any other important information, or if you have any thoughts on these new memberships. Sound off in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to drop a like, and if you're new here and love coasters, please consider giving me a sub. Also, check out my links below for my Discord server, and my second channel where I post copyright-free off-ride footage, and my baseball channel if you're a baseball freak like I am. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.